So we're going to be working on the car today. We're going to be putting some stuff on the engine. We got the, I guess we can't really put the fuel rails on until we get the gasket and everything set. So I mean, Tristan jumped the gun, just put some injectors in. We got an engine hoist to take the engine out of the Camaro. We're just looking at getting everything constructed. I got new wheels for the Mustang. So yeah, we're just going to be working on the Camaro today. Yeehaw.
How long have I been in there?
20 minutes.
Okay.
Don't worry, there's enough coolant in there for you to live off of.
I've been, no, it's tapped.
It just makes you a little sleepy. It's fine.
A little bit.
It's fine. So we're just going to be constructing this engine hoist. There's a lot more that we need to do under the car and above the car to get it ready to lift off. But yep, this was a crucial part. We did have Vince has a engine hoist, but we just kind of wanted our own, and his kind of leaks a little bit. So if this is going to be on here for a while, we want it to be able to stay up. So we're going to start working on this, and yeah. So we got the fuel lines disconnected. We also got the heater hose disconnected on the other side to the block. And we're trying to get this off now. Basically, you just need to bring it all the way down, and almost got it. Yeah, harder. Ooh, there we go. That should be fine. Get the lower radiator hose off. Some liquid or coolant will probably come out of there if you get it off.
I really don't want to like hurt myself while getting this off.
Well, that's unavoidable. You're probably going to hurt yourself, boy. I almost got it. Why don't you use a pick? Here.
Because that's sharp. Evidently, stabbing myself with it.
That's true.
Come on.
It's all that white powder.
Ew.
I honestly wouldn't be surprised if the previous owner put some type of like block, like fixer, like head gasket fixer in
Head
here.
gasket fixer. Damn, this stuff is gross.
Yep.
It's like powdered nacho cheese.
Delicious.
Powdered potatoes or something.
Powdered chowder.
Be a man and just yank it off.
I don't want to hurt myself.
I love chowder.
Davis, pull this from your side, like straight back. There we go.
Easy.
Ew.
That's disgusting.
Ew.
We need to put some pressurized water through that or something.
We could even just buy this exact same piece at the auto parts store.
We already own this.
That's true.
Yeah, there's some gunk in there. That is clogged to hell. Nice. There's shit in there. So a lot of the wiring harness is going to be kind of hard to get to until we, I think, honestly, lift up the engine. Or lift up the body.
I think you're right. Because I was thinking the same thing.
We can still... We don't necessarily
off.
even need to disconnect this yet. There's a lot of stuff. We disconnected the throttle, or we're going to disconnect the throttle linkage here. It just pulls off there.
Yeah, we can do this. The wires can stay with the engine, but we can do it like this. Just so they don't get caught in anything. Damn. Come on now. Oh, by the way, once we actually start doing this, we need to take the cowl off.
Like the cowling?
Yeah.
Yes, yeah. That makes sense. And the hood, probably.
The hood might not be a bad idea, but when it rains...
Yeah, that's true.
That's okay, just carpet.
It doesn't rain here.
Yeah, never.
It doesn't rain here in 20 years. What are you talking about?
What? It's Dryington.
Not Washington, Dryington.
There ain't no rain that exists up here. What the fuck?
Yeah, there's definitely a lot more on this side that needs to be disconnected, like this alternator cable. I don't know how to use like pins or something.
Yeah, it's on the back right here.
Yep. There's just like a trillion little tiny things. Like once you think you have pretty much all of them, there's many more that just arrive. Got the heater hoses off there.
This is a ground. Yep. Oh, okay. So we got all that off.
Oh yeah, there's probably engine grounds we'll need to disconnect.
Yeah, like that one right there.
We need to get under the car soon.
Is Vince going to be coming by it all today?
I think he's busy moving. Vince just picked up got a new place. So sure there'll be some content out of there.
There we go. All the coils are off. You know what? We can actually just repurpose this bracket right here that it already sits on. We can just repurpose it.
To like put it somewhere else.
Yeah, just put the bracket somewhere else. That would work instead of having to make our own bracket.
Oh yeah, because the other one still has like pulley drives or something that we still need it in that area, I guess, right?
Yeah, but that without the coil packs won't interfere. I believe we need it, but I'm not sure.
Here, so kind of place this where it would go.
So normally, this with if this wasn't here, it would go.
And the coils would sit on top of here.
Yep, and so it actually sit a little back further, like right here.
But we still need this for pulleys and tensioners.
Yeah, and then
so we can repurpose that plate, put it like over here,
because with this,
or somewhere else.
Without the coil packs on, the intake can go right over it. It will.
Yeah.
It won't have to go up any.
We can shave that down even.
Yeah, we should. I mean, someone already has, because they have this like part that comes up for whatever reason. So someone took that down. And
Yeah, so we can reuse that plate. That's a good point. We can reuse that and relocate. We were going to make custom cables and everything, so that just means we don't have to make a custom mount for it. There we go.
Throttle cables off.
Yep. All those cables are out. I mean, you can just pull those through.
Oh yeah, I'll unplug all that shit too.
How's this coming?
It's a lot of fun nutting.
Yeah.
Lit.
That's the best way to say it.
Lit.
Please assemble the front and rear swivel.
It's okay, we only need one, right?
Yeah.
Only one wheel.
This
We're
thing
gonna have
don't
to
need
send off this PCM to Intense to get it tuned. So what's our plan on tuning it? Like, we're gonna send it off to Intense.
Yeah.
They're not gonna do a mail tune. They're just gonna put a tune on that. If we need revisions, are you gonna take it to a dyno or? Should probably be fine.
But like the more expensive, Intense one lets you like tune again multiple times, I think.
Oh really?
So,
I just think with the fact that we're going to be using meth, that adds a harder to tune variable.
Well, but it is possible to tune for it. But, yeah, a dyno is this thing's future. However, it sucks because you can't just change tunes. I don't have something like you guys do, so I'd have to change computers if I want like a complete street tune and a race tune. But I think that they'll probably.
You don't really need that. My Mustang, like. Yeah. You only really need one tune. The most optimal tune will be best for gas mileage and whatnot. I mean, I guess that's not true. You have different varying boosts. Like if you want to do that, you can run lower boost. I guess that's true.
Well, I mean, it's not gonna be able.
That's why we need to get HP tuners.
Yeah.
Then you can change it on the fly if you wanted to.
Yeah, it could. I'd also need a laptop, which I don't have.
We'll just use Davis's.
Well, I mean, like on the fly.
Oh.
So if I just wanted to, do whatever. But, could you bring over your tool?
I don't think we need to disconnect that.
No, because
it's not connecting anywhere to the engine. That's just the AC.
I see.
By the way, I'm putting tape on your wrench.
Okay. I don't care about it getting scuffed up.
No, not that. It's just then the nut doesn't fall out.
Ah.
Well, I'm placing it in. So
yeah, let's get the cowl out right now.
So that I don't... You want me to take it off?
The cowling?
If you want to.
I mean, it
is pretty easy looking. Just a few clips.
Yeah, it's because I've done windshields on these.
Isaiah works at a glass shop.
Yeah, I do.
Hey, Davis.
For a while.
So the clip bounced out. Look where it got caught.
In a spider web, wow.
Yeah. I knew they were useful for something. Look at this,
You already are one.
Look at this. Just don't be a pussy.
I was going to say, that's how you actually break a regulator.
Nope. He thinks he knows it all. Where did this bolt come from, by the way?
I don't know, it was just in the cowl.
Huh.
Here, add it to the pile.
Honestly, that's like... Ow. What?
Where's the wiper arm now?
Oh, it's on there. It's in there.
Okay, boy.
Those are hard to remove.
Yeah, typically these are. If we
Here.
can close the hood, I can get them off.
Oh.
Here, wait, just bend down and then I'll close the hood. Okay, now just stay like that.
Okay. You could even go lower if you wanted. Oh, here, this bracket's in the way.
Yeah.
Here, Davis, take this. Like that.
Drop it on the paint.
And get on the other side.
I'm pretty sure you would be able to close this, but don't lock it, or I won't be able to get out.
Why not?
Because if it are the doors unlocked?
I don't know.
Keys are in it too.
Do not let it.
Why not? I think the keys are locked inside.
You should like lift it up.
Close it?
Like,
Close it?
no.
Is it latched?
Yes. No.
I think it's there's something stopping it over here.
That's my head. Oh my god, that's terrible.
You are dumb. Why are you in there, boy?
Oh. Because he told me to be in there. I was like, okay. Nothing could go wrong.
Where'd my specialty price will go? It did a Houdini like all my other tools.